Today we will do exercise 10.3 question number 10 and 11. Now look at the 10th question. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeter. All these measures are in centimeter. And listen children, we already studied. If you want to find out the area of the irregular shapes, what we will do? We will divide these irregular shapes into regular shapes like rectangles, squares, like that way. And we will find out the area of that each rectangle separately, and we will add all together. You will get the area of that particular regular shape. Okay. Now look at the first question. First question is this. The question is, by splitting them into rectangles, we have to find the area. So, just how will we divide it? How will we divide it into rectangles? Suppose if I am drawing one line here, you will get one. Suppose if I am drawing one line here, you will get one rectangle, or you can just square also. You will get one figure there. Suppose I am dividing this like this way. You will get, this is a rectangle. Is it? This is a rectangle. Okay, so here we got the first figure, here we got the first figure, here you got the second figure. Okay, now again where you have to divide, you will divide here. So here also you will get a rectangle. Okay, here also you will get a rectangle, and we can see that this also a rectangle. So we divided this figure into 4 rectangles, is it? So we divided this into 4 rectangles or 4 sections, and here we can divide into rectangle or square. Okay, we can divide the irregular shapes into rectangles and squares for finding the area. So we divided into 4 parts, is it? Now look at this. We divide it like this way. Now first, and find out the area of each region separately. First you find out the area of the yellow region. Area of the yellow region. What is the area of the yellow region? What is the area of the yellow region? Okay, the formula for finding that, length into breadth, or you can say side into side. This is 3, this is 3, this is 2, and this length. This is 3 here, this is 3. So we can say this also 3, is it? This also 3. So here all the sides are same length. So what is the formula? Just length into breadth. What is the answer? You will get 3 into 3. What is the answer? 9 centimeters square. I hope this is clear. The first figure, we find out the area of the first figure, and we got it as this one. This one, okay, the same color, do one thing. This figure, we find out the area of this figure, and we know that the area is length into breadth. Okay, area for finding rectangle is equal to length into breadth. This is square, then also we can say side into side. What is the answer you got? 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Now we will find out the area of this portion. Second, orange region. We will find the area of this orange region. Now look at here children. This is 2 here. So this is also 2. So length, we know that rectangles opposite sides are same. So if this is 2, this will be also 2. And if this is 1, this is also 1. So what you can say, area of the orange region, or you can say area of the second rectangle also, no problem. Area of the orange portion is equal to, or orange region is equal to, what is the area? Length into breadth. That means 2 into 1. What is the answer? 2 centimeters square. Okay. 2 into 1. What is the answer? 2 centimeters square. So we got the area of the second rectangle. Or you can write it as rectangle also. Okay. No problem. You can write it as second rectangle. Second rectangle. Okay. You can write it as area of second rectangle. And find out the area of the third rectangle. Area of the third rectangle. Area of the third rectangle. Now find out the third rectangle, that area of the third rectangle. Which is third rectangle? This grey portion is the third rectangle, is it? This grey portion. So that means if this is 2 and this is 1, total is 3 here, is it? Total here it is 3. Here also, if this is 3, we can say that this also 3. Okay, this also 3. And what about this portion, this side? This side is also 3. Okay, so what you can write? Area of the third. Here all the sides are equal, then also we will say. So instead of third rectangle, you write down the grey portion. Okay, don't be confused. Write down the grey portion. Grey region, write down. The area of the grey region is equal to 3 into 3. What is the answer? 9 centimeters square. 3 into 3, what is the answer? 9 centimeters square. Now we will find the area of the brown region. That means the fourth rectangle. This fourth one, this fourth portion, brown region. So if this is 4, you can say this also 4, because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. And if this is 2, you can say this also 2. Okay, so what will be the area? Area is equal to 4 into 2. What is the answer? 8 centimeters square. So we got the area of all the figures and we have to find the area of this shape. So how will we find the total area? Total area is equal to, just add everything, 9 plus 2 plus 9 plus 8. What is the answer? 8 plus 2, 10, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 10, what is the answer? 28 centimeters square. I hope this answer is clear. We divided the figures into rectangles and squares and we find out the area, okay. So in such case, some cases length and breadth is same, so we can consider it as a square also, no problem. So just divide it into regular shapes and find out the area of each regular shape and just add everything, you will get the total area. It means you will get the area of this irregular shape. Okay children, now move to the next question. This question, we have to find the area of this irregular shape. So you have to divide this figure. How will we divide? Suppose I am drawing one line here, you will get one rectangle here, one rectangle you will get here, okay. One rectangle you got. Like the same way, if I am drawing one line here, you got one more rectangle here, is it? And okay, one more rectangle, or you can see here also one rectangle is there. So 3 rectangles, total 3 rectangles, okay. Total 3 rectangles, and we know the formula for finding area of a rectangle. What is the formula? Length into breadth. Just look at the figure. This will be the figure, okay. Now how will we find the area of the first rectangle? Area of the first rectangle, we will take it as first rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle, okay. Area of first rectangle. What will be the area of the first rectangle? Now look at here children, look at this rectangle. Here the length is 3, breadth is 1. So length into breadth, 3 into 1, what is the answer? 3 centimeters square. Now tell me, what is the area of the second rectangle? This is 3, this is 3. So we can say that this is also 3 because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. And if this is 1, we can say that this is also 1. So what is the area of the second rectangle? Area of the second rectangle is equal to 3 into 1. What is the answer? You will get 3 centimeters square itself. I hope it's clear. Now we have to find the area of the third rectangle. Area of the third rectangle. Area of the third rectangle will be, you know that this is 1 and this is 2. So total it is 3. So if this side is 3, this side is also 3. And if this is 1, this is also 1. So length is 3, breadth is 1. What is the answer? 3 into 1. What is the answer? 3 centimeters square. Now we have to find the total area. Total area means just sum of the areas of all the 3 rectangles. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3. What is the answer? 9 centimeter square. I hope this answer is clear for everyone. Just divide the figures into rectangles, or you have divided it into regular shapes. Just divide it into the different shapes and you find out the area of each part and just add everything, you will get the area of the particular figure. I hope it's clear. Now split the following into rectangles and find the areas. The same thing as you did earlier. Look at the first question. We divided like this way. That means we got first rectangle here. This is first rectangle and we got second rectangle. Okay. Now we have to find the area of these two rectangles. What will be the area of the first rectangle? Area of the first rectangle will be this is 12 here, so this is also 12, is it? So what you can say, 12 into, if this is 2, this is also 2 because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So 12 into 2, what is the answer? 24 centimeters square. I hope it's clear. Now we have to find the area of the second rectangle. This is total as 10 and it is given that total measure is 10 and it is given that this is 8. So this also will become 8. And if this is 2, this is also 2. Okay. So what is the area of the second rectangle? 8 into 2. What is the answer? 16 centimeters square. So we got the area of the first rectangle and we got the area of the second rectangle. Now how will we find the total area? Total area is equal to 24 plus 16. 24 plus 16. What is the answer? 40 centimeters square. I hope it's clear for everyone. So what is the total area of this irregular shape? 40 centimeter square. So if irregular shapes are coming, just convert them into the regular shapes, then only you can find the area. Okay, by using the formula of rectangle, square, circle, like that way, find out the area. I hope these topics are clear and do the remaining these two questions as homework. Remaining B question and C question as homework. B is homework, C is homework. Exercise 10.3 question number B and C. Remaining two questions are homework. I hope it's clear for everyone. That's all for today. Thank you.